Ever wonder how data centers consume city-sized amounts of power? Well, Oklo's modular reactor and Vertiv's cooling gear are teaming up to change that. Imagine nuclear-powered data centers running right on site. Could this be the solution to our energy crunch? Join me as we explore the pilot at the Aurora microreactor. Will it really change the game? Watch the full video to find out.
Gary, moving to Oklo and Vertiv, if I said that correctly, I believe I did. Innovative potential solution we're talking about. And again, energy shortfall is what this is focused around. Gary, thing number 5 before our educational thing, Oklo and Vertiv partner on nuclear-powered data centers.
You know, I got a funny thought for you, Rob. I actually don't know if you pronounced it right or not because I read everything. I don't watch CNBC. I never hear these things pronounced. Anyway, these two companies, they basically announced a deal to work together. We're going to see what happens. Oklo is an advanced nuclear technology company. They develop small modular nuclear reactors. Longtime fans of the channel know how I feel about that. We're super positive on the SMRs. And Vertiv, I'm actually not sure how it's pronounced. I don't know. Somebody write it in the comments. Let me know. They are a global provider of critical power and cooling infrastructure for data centers. We were just talking about all the energy use in these data centers. Well, guess what? That creates a huge amount of heat. And without constant cooling, those data centers would overheat, the chips would melt down, the whole thing would fall apart. Anyway, what they've done is they announced a new collaboration to co-develop integrated power and cooling systems for hyperscale and co-location data centers in the United States using electricity and steam from Oklo's on-nuclear power plants. Okay, basically, all this means is that Oklo has nuclear power plants. Those plants generate heat. Heat can be used to generate electricity, and that's going to be used to run Vertiv's cooling equipment. The partnership aims to make data centers more energy efficient while delivering reliable, clean power for energy-hungry AI and high-performance computer needs. So does it work yet? We're not sure. A pilot is planned at Oklo's first Aurora microreactor. The companies are going to develop reference designs for future nuclear-powered data centers. Look, it's not done yet, but I think these kinds of creative solutions are really good. And by the way, for the environmentalists in the crowd, we're going to remind you yet again that nuclear power does not use, there's no carbon emissions from that. It's basically the most environmentally friendly energy we're going to get here. And with, always uptime, it'll work for these AI data centers.
Yeah, very, very interesting, Gary. Sounds like they're ready to go. I mean, I'm assuming this makes us even more bullish, or what does this do to DKI's thesis on nuclear power, if anything?
More bullish, definitely. I mean, look, we've owned uranium because we've been positive about nuclear power for years. That has been a hugely profitable position for us, for DKI subscribers. I think these small nuclear reactors, these SMRs, small modular reactors, are going to be the future. We're certainly loaded up for that. They can be produced very quickly and literally in something the size of a shipping container you can put in your company's parking lot. They can power an entire data center. It's an incredible option. They can be built quickly as well, 2 to 5 years or even faster once the plans are done. So this is a signal on how advanced nuclear is moving from concept to practical infrastructure, and using that as well to help cool the AI data centers. I think it's a creative, clever design. We'll see what happens. If the project succeeds, it could revolutionize data center design and give both companies an edge. But the thing we're going to caution you about, there are still regulatory risks and execution risks. If successful, it's a positive for our uranium position. If not, we still want to own uranium anyway. I'm hoping this thing will work, but we'll see. It's going to take a little time before we know for sure.
Yep. Yeah, no doubt, Gary. But again, extremely excited about nuclear position, and for a lot of different reasons, especially stuff I'm seeing boots on the ground, ChatGPT, AI, that whole evolution as well.